Good morning, K2. Nice to meet you guys. Yes, today is Friday of 4 September 2020. How are you, everyone? I hope you are fine, and for me, it's good. Okay, before we start the new lesson, teacher want to review about month of the year. Yeah, there are 12 months in a year. Okay, start with January until December. Let's go, listen and repeat together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Right? Okay, there are 12 months in a year. Very good. Okay, so look at the exercise on whiteboard. Missing number. Okay, missing number. The first number here is 0. So after 0, what number is it? Number 1. Okay, good job. So after 1, 2. And after 2, number 3. Okay, that's right. 3 and 4. After 4, number 5. Yeah. 6. After number 6, 7 has 2 steps. After 7, here number 8, right? Okay, now at the middle whiteboard, what number do you see? Yeah. Can you get what number is it? That's right, number 9. Okay, so number 9 has two steps. So the first step, you can start with up, curve, middle. And second step, up, down, straight. Number 9. Okay, number 9. So number 9 has 2 steps, up, curve, middle, here, middle. And second step, up, down, straight. Keep a big space. Try again. Number 9 has 2 steps, up, curve, middle, up, down, straight. Up, curve, middle, up, down, straight. Number 9. Okay, so today we learned number 9. Okay, good job, everyone. So don't forget write number 9 into your workbook. For one page, and this is our worksheet. Color, flower, and dressing number 9. Thank you, kids. See you next week. Goodbye, everyone.